Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nanta Chell, and if you don't know me already, why don't you get to know me on all my social media accounts right here or here. They're all Nanta Chell except from 2 makeup TikTok pages now. You can just go look at them. But yeah, today's video I'm gonna show you my weekend away. This is what I usually do on the weekend, but my boyfriend's actually planned something this week, so yeah, we're just gonna go have a weekend away, kind of like a relaxing weekend. So yeah, come with me and it should be fun. He's good at planning. So yeah, we're gonna go get the train now. Jerry was late, so that's why we have to get a later train, weren't you?
Not my fault.
He was. It was his fault. You have to speak into the camera.
It wasn't my fault.
It was his fault. It was. I've got my AirPods in there. It was your fault, wasn't it? Anyway, now we have to get on the train that's 30 minutes later. And I'm hungry, so we're getting food. Me and Jerry are on the train now. Yeah, we're on the train. And we're going to... He's not telling us where we're going. But I know we're going to Norwich. Hometown, big up. Anyway, yeah. I'll see you when we get there. We missed our I told you we missed our train. Anyway, we're on a train later. We're gonna get there, what, an hour later? Probably an hour later.
2.
2? No, an hour later. Oh yeah, 2.5. 2 hours later. Anyway, I'll see you guys there. Say bye. He's always so awkward. Why are you always so awkward? We're here. We are at Jerry's house,
nice.
And look at the shoes he bought.
Really,
please be
really
disgusted
nice.
with me, because funny if you like them. Look at this.
Look, I'm gonna put them on.
Oh my gosh, babe, they're disgusting.
So nice.
Oh,
and they fit. Oh my days. Okay, the wrong trousers. Right.
Oh,
But look at that. Oh my.
Oh.
Yo.
Hey guys, we are at Jerry's house now.
Hey guys.
Hello. We're at Jerry's house. Sorry about this lighting though.
It's not the best.
Yeah, no, it's not. But anyway, we're now going to Tesco to get some stuff.
Water, snacks.
Yeah, get some more snacks. Yeah, basically some essentials.
Yeah.
And then we are gonna come back and chill because we've had a long day of traveling. My makeup's actually come off all the way from the mask. That's quite funny. Look at, it's just all gone.
Half.
This is the new style, guys. Anyway, yeah, let's go. But we're out now. Say hi, Jerry. I didn't know why I keep telling him to say hi, but anyway. Yeah, now we're out at Tesco and we're going to get some Dominoes. So yeah, I'm a happy girl because I'm a hungry girl. We got the Dominoes. Oh, look, it's Christmas. We just went out in our jumpers like this, and I'm so cold. So cold. So why are you laughing? Are you not cold?
You know, but it's cold.
Yeah, I know, but I'm PG now. So
PG.
cold. So cold. Hey guys, we are home now. We're about to eat Dominoes. And yeah, I'm hungry, so we're gonna eat Dominoes and watch movies and chill for the rest of the night, aren't we, Jerry?
Yes, we will.
And then we'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know what we're doing. Do you know?
Yes, I do.
He knows. But yeah, we're doing stuff tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back. Today is Saturday. Me and Jerry woke up quite late. We're just gonna go and get his mum's car washed. Why are you putting music? Anyway, we're just gonna go and get his mum's car washed. And then we're gonna don't know what we're gonna do. Jerry has a plan. So, yeah. Any words?
Actually, yeah, we have something planned today, actually.
Okay, well, yeah, I'll see you guys when we're doing that. We've had breakfast, so. And it gets so dark now, so it might as well be the evening. But whatever. We'll see you guys. I'll just show you guys what we get up to. Guys, we're at the car wash. Now we have to get out of the car because they're cleaning the inside. Thanks, Jerry.
That's okay, darling.
Imagine. Anyway, we're just waiting for the car to be washed on the inside.
Keep it up.
Hoovered. But yeah, I don't know what else we're doing. We're just chilling, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we've got something planned.
Well, yeah, no, I mean now.
Oh, yes, yes, we're not.
Honestly. Guys, it's so clean. So clean. Guys, we're ready. I think I know where we're going. Do you know?
Of course, I planned it.
Oh, okay. Anyway, this is the fit. This outfit. This is mine. Joe, show them yours. Well, he thought this was green. I think this is grey.
It's green.
It's grey.
It's green.
Anyway, I'm wearing green because he said he was wearing green. Anyway, look at my fit. It's cute. Shoes. Yeah.
With these little gifts, we'd love you to take one and take hold of it. You can drop your details to us, we can stay in touch, keep you informed of all of our various church events.
And pray he'll put you through what you have spoken.
Anyway, we're back from the Soul Church. What was it? A pantomime?
Yeah, like a play, pantomime.
We're back from the Soul Church pantomime. And I'm just eating ice cream whilst Jerry makes Jerry! I'm eating an ice cream while me and Jerry make some dinner. Yeah.
I'm making the dinner.
I help. So anyway, we're making dinner and then we're gonna chill for the rest of the day. But yeah, today was a good. This evening was a good. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
What about you?
Well, personally, I'm just thankful for the day, you know. I'm thankful for a day.
Stop and talk and then finish.
I'm thankful for the day.
Right, he's thankful for the day. He's not spitting it out.
Okay.
So yeah, we're gonna have some dinner,
See,
aren't we, Jerry?
last time you asked me to get.
Okay, anyway.
Okay.
We're gonna make some dinner now.
Okay. It must be weird. How does the footprint go like that? You go like that. Right, and then just at the top you do this.
We're burning.
Oh.
Okay.
Then you put back. Put one finger.
Put it back like that. Come closer.
Yeah. What do you mean?
Like close the top with the this finger. This finger. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer.
Look, it fits in there.
Oh yeah.
So to see it.
Me and Jerry are having dinner, which we helped make each other, and it was. I'm joking. He made it by himself, and I helped. But I helped him with the preparation. But we're gonna eat now. We're gonna eat now and watch. What's it called?
Hold on.
We're gonna watch a movie. Red Dawn on Amazon, and yeah, we're gonna have a chill night. So, see you guys later. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's actually afternoon. It's like 3 o'clock. Me and Jerry are getting ready. We always wake up quite late on a Sunday. Yeah, we're just getting ready, and then we're gonna go. I don't know where we're going, so I'll show you guys when we get there, you know? Okay guys, we're on our way. Where are we going, Jerry?
Let's get some food first.
We're getting some food. Yum, 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 yum. And then what?
And then we shall go on the highway.
Oh, we're going on the highway.
Yeah, it's quite a 45-minute drive, 50.
45-minute drive? Where the fuck are we
I
going?
know, where should going?
Oh.
Yeah. We're basically going on a road trip.
Woo! Road trip! Okay, yeah, I'll show you guys. I'm hungry, so can't wait for the food part. But I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you, baby. Guys, we got Burger King.
Yeah.
It's been a year. Can't wait to eat it.
Is that how you show love? Can you imagine?
Cheers. Ian's toasted. It's been charged. Didn't get my teddy, did you?
No, listen, it was rigged.
From
The
what?
game was
He didn't
rigged.
get me my teddy. So, yeah, it's your fault.
Wow, wow.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Well, that was a lovely 10 minutes, wasn't it?
Oh, fuck off.
Walking in.
We thought there'd be so much more, and there was
no,
like,
nah.
hardly anything.
Nothing, that's nothing.
Yeah. But, yeah, it was fun. He wouldn't come on the ride with
No,
me.
he tried, that was good.
He said he was going to throw up,
Yeah,
so
well.
being a baby as usual.
That burger we ate, that's just still, you know, digesting and brewing, so.
Yeah, anyway, he's being a baby. Where are we going now?
Well, this is plan A. It was not even a plan, it was just a walk.
Oh, goodness.
Anyway,
It was fun! Stop putting it down.
No, it was.
Bro, just chill and pause. I said give it after.
So, you told them what happened?
No.
Tell them, let them know.
Jerry made us walk in the rain. And our food's wet.
Nando's.
Somewhere behind her. Is that Nando's? You can tell I'm pleased about this.
Sorry about that. You know,
You got 45 seconds left.
plan C just didn't really execute either. But plan D is where we go next.
Okay guys, we are home now and we're eating Nando's and finishing off a movie that we watched yesterday. But yeah guys, this is literally the end of our little weekend getaway. We're gonna eat and chill and yeah. I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Jerry, anything else to say? Doesn't even know what the video is about. Anyway. Anyway, I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Bye guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.